Attention! Firehouse 2, Engine 8. There's a cat stuck in the tree. We need your help.
Rhett, we have to go save the kitty cat from the tree. Let's go! Fireman, when you get there, you're gonna have to climb your ladder and get the kitty cat out of the tree.
Now the fireman must assess how to get the cat down.
Fireman Rhett, where's the cat? Do you think you can save that cat? I bet that cat's afraid of that frog. That's a loud frog. We're coming, kitty cat. You've got it, fireman. Just a few more steps. Good job. He's here, kitty cat. Good job, Fireman Rhett. All right, let's drive back to the fire station and park your fire truck.
Attention! Firehouse 2, Engine 8. Fire at the tree line. Repeat, fire at the tree line.
Fireman Rhett, are you going to the fire? You have to hurry and respond. The trees are on fire. Hurry, hurry. Use your fire extinguisher. Hurry, put the fire out. I think you need to use your water cannons. Grab your water cannon. Good job. The fire's getting smaller. Good job, fireman. More water? Good job, fireman. Way to go. You put the fire out, Fireman Rhett. Good job. They're all done. Fire's gone. Way to go. Time to head back to the station. Hey, let's show everybody your cool uniform. You have a badge. Where's your name tag? Let's see. It says Fire Department Rhett.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show us your bullhorn, Rhett? What does it do? Wow, that's so cool. Can you speak into it like a megaphone so everybody knows you're coming? Hello. Say, make way, we're coming through. Where's your fire hat? Here you go. Here's your fire hat. It says Fire Chief. Are you the fire chief?
Yeah.
That's so cool. All right, Fire Chief, thanks for all your hard work today. You did a really good job.
Good job.
You're done for the day? All right, let's head back to the station. Bye-bye, fireman.
Thanks for watching RNA Play Squad. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.